Greetings to you. In this video, you would be learning the phrasal verb come across. This is a very common, very useful one. Come across. This has two meanings. First one is the physical world, find something by chance. Second one is the abstract vibe, appears or give an impression. The first meaning is to find and discover something accidentally and unexpectedly. To find something by chance. This means you found something but you are not looking for it. It was an accident, a surprise. The structure is subject plus the phrasal verb come across and object. Example, while cleaning my room, I came across some childhood toys. Here, subject is I, then the action. The phrasal verb come across and then the object is some childhood toys. The structure is simple, you don't separate it. You just say come across plus the things you found. Let us look at our examples. I come across an old photo yesterday. I wasn't searching for the photo. I was cleaning my room and suddenly, boom, this was it. There it was. I found it by chance. Please note that the verb comes in the past tense, that is came, I came across. Since the action refers to the past, came is used instead of come. Another example, I come across an interesting article online, meaning I found out by chance an interesting article online. Another example, she came across a wallet on the street. Here the meaning is she has found out by chance a wallet on the street. Second meaning of the come across is to appear or give a specific impression to the world. Here the core concept is it is not about what you find. It is about the attitude or vibe or impression you project to the others about the subject. In this case, the structure is subject, phrasal verb come across and the preposition as and adjective. Please note that apart from the come across, the preposition as to be used in this case. Examples, she come across as very shy. Another usage, she come across as very confident. Usage, he comes across as very friendly, meaning his vibe or behavior appears very friendly, welcoming to other people. Another usage, she came across as confident during this interview. She appears to be very confident during the interview. She successfully gave the interview, which is positive impression. Another usage, don't come across as rude. Here the meaning is you don't appear to be rude. This is strictly about how people perceive your action or behavior. This is not about something you find physical. If this video is useful and helpful, you should like the video and share with your fellow English learners. Please subscribe for more phrasal verbs. Let us look at the summary of the phrasal verb come across. The phrasal verb come across has two meanings. First one is find something by chance or something physical. Structure is subject plus come across plus object. Example, I come across an old photo. Second meaning is give an impression, something abstract. Structure is subject plus the phrasal verb come across plus the preposition as plus adjective. Example, she come across as confident. To gain better command on English, please take the homework assignment. Write 2 sentences using come across in the comment section. First one is, what was the last interesting thing you came across? Second one is, how does your best friend come across to the new people? Again, please write 2 sentences in the comment section without fail to gain better competency on English. Thank you.